Okay, we are now live for our 6th through 8th grade Kahoot for our Chapter 20 Science test. It's okay. Woo, hi. Okay, so they've entered in their game code. It's now time to begin the game. I highly recommend that you pay attention to this video for bonus questions.
Bonus question.
Okay, here we go. Sorry, buddy. Jeb and Hayden, you might need to join another team.
Yeah, why not?
Boys, which team were you?
We're the two mustard team.
No, you boys, Hayden and Declan, what were you? Anything?
No, it was Kevin. Where were you guys?
There's not. There's only 4 teams. Okay.
That's actually a good name.
Here we go. A comet or asteroid can break up to form a chunk of rock called a meteoroid. True or false? Meteorite.
We're 3 points behind. I know my plus behind you 3.
All right, it is true. It is true. Next question. The tendency for an object in motion to remain in motion is called gravity, roller derby, thermodynamics, or inertia. Bonus question. Did you know that there's a roller derby movie called Whip It? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Huh.
Oh, that's going to be one of our bonus questions. Whip it. Whip. Whip it. Whip it.
Most ancient astronomers thought that all celestial objects revolved around the Earth, the Moon, Pluto, or the Sun.
You gotta go quit. You gotta go. No. Or you said you're so close behind you.
Okay, good job. Next question. 4 of the inner planets are gas giants. True or false?
Oh no, I clicked the wrong one.
Next question. Solar wind pushes gas and dust from the comet's nucleus, tail, head, or coma.
I always want to switch it.
Solar prominences cannot be seen during an eclipse, link different parts of sun regions together, are cooler than the rest of the chromosphere, are hotter than the rest of the chromosphere.
Right? It wasn't me, it was Kevin. What?
Okay, it links different parts of sunspot regions together. Next question. Magnetic storms are a result of an increase in solar wind caused by explosions called prominences, magnetostorms, solar flares, or solar winds.
Magnetostorms, really, big dad?
Magnetostorms, where do you know that name from?
X-Men.
X-Men.
That's the guy who looks like.
That might make a good bonus question.
Yeah. Really? Actually, no, it's not.
Few comets pass near Earth because their blank are so elliptical. Tails, orbits, comas, heads.
It might be orbits, but good job.
All right, orbits is the correct answer. Orbits.
You guys click so fast.
Next question. Europa is considered a good place to look for life because There may be liquid water under its icy crust. Its equator has tropical temperatures. It is the same size as Earth, or volcanic activity keeps it warm. Next question. What shape are the orbits of most comets? Red, nearly circular ellipses. Blue, long, narrow ellipses. Yellow, circles. Green, spherical.
Nearly circular ellipses.
Next question. There is enough fuel in the sun to last for about another 15 billion years, 10 billion years, 5 billion years, or 1 billion years.
Oh, yeah. One.
Chunks of ice and dust that usually have long elliptical orbits are called meteors. True or false?
You guys are so loud. No, no. You're like,
All right, next question. Europa's surface is made of liquid water. True or false?
True. Obviously true. Obviously, guys. You know this true. Yeah, we got it right. It was true.
Okay, so just remember that when you're trying to be silly and trip up other people, you're just reinforcing in your mind the wrong answer. Next question.
Smart science.
Some astronomers think Pluto should not be called a planet because it is too far away, is so small, cannot be seen without a telescope, has no moons. Is so small is correct. Next question. What do all of the inner planets have in common? They have the same revolution, they have the same rotation, they have the same diameter, they are small and have a rocky surface. Next question. The tendency of a moving object to continue moving in a straight line or a stationary object to stay put is inertia, gravity, orbital speed, or mass.
Why did you call it gravity?
Inertia. Inertia is the correct answer. Next question. Yes, but there's more than one question about inertia. The largest planets are solid. True or false?
Yeah, of course you know the
The middle layer of the sun's atmosphere is the core, photosphere, chromosphere, or corona.
Bro! It just worked! Yeah, well,
Earth is unique among the planets because of its rocky surface, its oceans, the direction in which it rotates, or its large size. Did you know that 1 astronomical unit is Earth's distance from the sun, which is 93 million miles? Neptune is 30 astronomical units from the sun. A bonus question will be, how many miles is that?
I have like 30 data.
Meteoroids usually come from beyond the solar system. Comets or asteroids, solar winds, or debris from other planets.
I knew it.
Conditions required for life on Earth include polar ice caps, liquid water, alternating day and night cycles, extreme differences in elevation. Liquid water is correct. Next question. The atmospheres of the gas giant planets cannot escape into space because Although they are big, the planets have little mass. The gases solidify at higher elevations. The gases are too heavy. The planets have very strong gravity. What do the first 4 outer planets have in common? They are the same size as Earth and solid. They are larger than Earth and do not have solid surfaces. They are much larger than Earth and are solid. They are the same size as Earth and do not have solid surfaces.
Stop. I told you it was coming. You told everybody though.
Okay, next question. Nuclear fusion occurs in the blank or center of the sun. Photosphere, corona, chromosphere, core.
I just said it.
Okay, next question. Ooh, sunglasses sweater is on an answer streak of 3. Woo-woo.
We're on the answer streak for 18.
Identify area A. When is it visible to the human eye? Is it a prominence during a lunar eclipse, chromosphere on the Chrome browser, solar eclipse, or photosphere in a photograph?
Chromosphere on the Chrome browser? Are you serious? Did you get that?
Maybe. Copernicus explained that the sun is at the center of the system of planets. The sun and planets revolve around Earth. There are only 6 planets. The geocentric system is correct.
Oval. Oval. There is no. Yes. Oh, yes.
All right, everybody got that one correct. Very nice.
Okay, I freak out too much. I can't see 20.
I saw. Identify area F. Describe what happens in this area. Photosphere, awesome photography. Prominence, important awards. The core, nuclear fusion. Solar wind, the sun's gas. Very good. Next question. Oh my goodness. Sunspots are areas on the sun that are hotter than the gases surrounding them. True or false?
Can I enter? Aww. You're so loud.
Okay, next question. Is 10 always closer to the sun? This is a picture. Find 10. Is it always closer to the sun?
Yeah! Did you guys get it wrong? No, we got it right.
Everybody got it right. Very good. Next question. The Earth is at the center of the solar system in the geocentric model. True or false?
False. Yeah, I got it right.
The force that pulls the moon toward Earth is called inertia, love, gravity, or fishing line. The solar wind is a stream of electrically charged particles produced by the sun's core, chromosphere, corona, photosphere. Jeb, please put your tech away. Thank you.
You're so loud. More, everybody.
Corona. Next question. The part of the sun that can be seen in a photograph is the photosphere. True or false? You need to make sure that you're being a good teammate, please. Include everyone on your team in the discussion. Next question. The inner planets are large and have rocky surfaces. True or false?
It's true. Come on.
Name 9 and explain why it's different from other gas giants. Is it Uranus? It has a top to bottom rotation from a 90-degree axis. Saturn, that has more rings than all the others. Pluto, it's smaller than the others. Or Jupiter, it's larger than the others. So one gas giant is Neptune, which we mentioned earlier. Today in the 7th grade, we watched a documentary where Neil deGrasse Tyson, a famous astrophysicist, mentioned Neptune and talked about its discovery. If you can name that astrophysicist and spell his name correctly, you will earn a bonus point. Pluto has more moons than any other outer planet. True or false?
Oh, no. The network is low, so you might have to experience delays. No! Claudia, did you turn off the hotspot? No? Okay. Turn it off, Claudia. Turn it off.
Next question.
30.
When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it produces a streak of light called a meteorite, asteroid, meteor, or comet.
No.
Everyone needs to make sure that they're including.
What was it? No!
Okay. 6th grade, everyone look at me, please. You all need to be treating your teammates kindly and making sure everyone is included. Next question. Of all the planets, only blank is known to have liquid water. The Sun, Jupiter, Earth, or the Moon?
Which one's the moon have liquid water? Jupiter. It's Jupiter. It's Jupiter. Jupiter. Are you on not really big Jupiter.
Okay, next question. It's Earth. The 2 factors that combine to keep the planets in orbit are gravity and inertia, mass and inertia, gravity and orbital speed, or orbital speed and mass. Gravity and inertia is correct. Regions on the surface of Mars have patterns that appear to be made by running man, cool runnings, running pudding, or running water.
Running pudding. Yeah, it's only running pudding.
Did you know that Cool Runnings is a movie about the Jamaican bobsled team?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I watched that movie yesterday. I've seen that movie.
Ah.
No, they come in. No, I've seen that.
All right, so that bonus question is Jamaican bobsled team.
Wow.
Next question. Which planet is closer to the sun? The one labeled 10 or the one labeled 11?
And, ooh, I don't know. I think it's 10. Yeah. No, I put 10. Come on, Ian. I put 10. No, I swear I put 10. There's an Ian really like 10. I swear I picked 10. I said. No, because, oh my God, 10 looks serious.
When compared to the gases around them on the sun, sunspots are cooler, the same temperature, brighter, or hotter.
Brighter. I know this one, guys. Turn it. That gummit.
Next question. A loop of gas that links different parts of the sunspot regions is a solar wind, solar flare, solar toot, or prominence.
No, guys, it's solar toot. No, it moved. It was. Dude, it moved. You see that?
The planets that are closer to the sun than Earth are Venus and blank. Pluto, Mercury, Mars, or Jupiter.
Why? Serious? That is so bad. It's Mars. It's Mars or Mercury? Mars. Don't fall for them. Mars.
Okay, so Mercury is the correct answer. Next question. The asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter, between Earth and Mars, between Saturn and Uranus, between Jupiter and Saturn.
Definitely, they're both probably saying this. It was like that.
Okay, so the best thing to make sure is that you stop rotating your phone up and down and side to side. Keep it one way, and then it shouldn't have any problems. If life were found on other worlds, it would be called Martian, extraterrestrial, Colin, or alien.
Alien! Colin, are you serious? Oh my god, that's me! That's me! I wonder if he saw that.
He did. It started our day together. He laughed. He knew I was just teasing. Next question. The hypothesis that Mars may once have had the conditions to support life is based on surface patterns that look like dried stream beds, the system of canals seen by Schiaparelli, its reddish surface, or the similar size to Earth. Next question. What object is 7? How does its size and orbit compare to the other planets?
One answer. I have the one answer. Quick one. No, we can take our time. Ian. What are you like? It's random. I don't even know. You like yay. Yeah. I'm trying to be you didn't know it though.
Okay, so it is a comet, but it is smaller than planets and has a long, narrow ellipses. The sun, blank, which looks like a halo, can use during a solar eclipse. Chromosphere, core, corona, photosphere. And please put all 4 on the floor. Thank you.
They probably always take photos. I think 4. It's not the yeah, it's not the chromosphere. Obviously, it's not the
All right, corona is correct. Next question. The only outer planet with a solid surface is Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter, or Pluto. Pluto. Next question. Venus and Earth are much alike in terms of size and density, direction of rotation, rates of rotation, their atmospheres. Please stop calling each other names. Speak kindly to each other. Next question.
We're only 200 points behind.
Okay, final question, I guess. Okay, everybody put your feedback in, please.
Put your feedback in what? Wait, you have to do 5 stars. 4 stars connection. If you already something.
But the connection doesn't have to do with the app. All right, so that is the end of our Kahoot for the 6th through 8th grade. Please watch. No dabs for the camera. Please watch for bonus questions. Those of you who are close enough to hear me might have heard 1 or 2. Anyway, good luck, and I will see you all Monday. Bye.